Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Look what we have here, a 1959 ElCamino. When's the last time you've seen one of these? I'm in the business and we rarely see them, so I'm thrilled to have this car here, beautifully restored, decked out with all the trim, but it's updated. It's got a Crate 350 motor, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning system. Excuse me. So it's built to cruise. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, get the price, and photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. Also, please take a second to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as these videos come out. You'll see them first. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 59 ElCamino. Don't get to go for a spin in one of these too often. We did some dealing with a guy down in Texas. He has about 80 or 90 cars. I think I'm up to 4 or 5 cars we've purchased from him in the last couple weeks. This is one of them, and I'm really happy with this one. It shows beautifully. These tail lights that you'll see in a minute, and these fins here, and the cat-sized tail lights. It's so unique to 59 only, and just a cool look. Everyone here seems to love this thing. I can name the people. Shep, our photographer, George in the shop, and my father, who's CEO of this company, absolutely loves this. I backed it out one day and he hopped in and left with it. And he came back and said it drove fantastic. So everyone's really digging this car. Salesmen, my son Ryan, they've all made comments on how they think this thing's really cool. So anyway, it is painted red. It is slick and shiny. The body is straight, very polished. There is a few flaws. There's a touch-up right here, some minor imperfections, but standing here, it's striking. It hits you. It's like, wow. And you know what helps is all this trim. I mean, all of the trim is restored or new. All the moldings, all shiny, straight, emblems, bumpers. The rockets, the trim, the base of the wiper look like they've been chromed. All of the stainless all around is straight and polished. Has the bow tie mirrors on both sides. Real nice glass. The trim down the sides, beautiful. The white paint is excellent. Hubcaps are excellent. The rims are painted red. Has radial whitewall tires on there. New door handles and the fingernail guards. Look at how the flat top, how that roof overhangs. It's just a cool feature. Got the wraparound window. And even all this trim on top here is completely restored, shiny, straight. Again, just all of this is beautiful. Got these real cool steps here, which would only come on an ElCamino, I assume. The tailgate opens from in here. Bottom of the tailgate's nice, jambs painted nice, the hardware is chromed. I haven't figured this out. I don't know why that swings down. Maybe if you're driving with the tailgate down, that will hang down and they can still see your plate. This is very usable in here. It's got a thick rubber carpeted mat, and underneath it is all clean solid metal, and it's all been sprayed in a black bed liner. So it's durable. You can use the back of this bed. The interior is restored to look original. It's got the red and black speckled carpet is new. The seat upholstery has been redone. It's got the chrome piping, new door panels, including the chrome armrest, the window cranks, handles. It's all new. It's all the original style. It's got the white perforated headliner and visors. Those are new. I looked up the casting code on the back of the motor. It's a 350 GM Goodwrench crate engine with 4-bolt mains. It has a Chevy bow tie aluminum intake with a new Edelbrock carb that has electric choke, HEI ignition system, stock exhaust manifolds. Now the intake air cleaner valve covers are all painted red. It's got some real nice Chevrolet script on the valve covers. Everything in here is exceptionally neat and tidy. The wiring, the hoses, the pulleys, brackets, everything's very neatly installed. None of it looks like it was done in someone's backyard. Yeah, see how I was saying all of that's new. The dash is painted as bright as the outside. All the trim is replaced. It does have a retro stereo that fits right into the dash. It has the molded kick panels with the speakers built right in. It has red seat belts. The air conditioning vents are neatly installed under the dash. It has the original steering wheels, been repainted two-tone. They did put 4 new gauges in there. They fit right in the factory hole. They look real nice. You got new weather strips. Door jambs are painted nicely. Underneath the car, it's a 700 R4 overdrive automatic. Disc brakes up front. The front end's been rebuilt. It has air shocks in back. It looks like some new bushings, and the springs look like they might be new in the back. New dual exhaust system follows the X-frame very neatly. This is a car you get in and drive. Runs smooth as can be. Air conditioned, has new horns. Everything in here is very proper and tight. Power steering and power brakes. Gloss black paint, new insulation. My dad drove it. He said it was fantastic. He said everything worked. So if you have any complaints, I'll give out his cell phone number. Another cool feature is the rear view mirror. It's the same shape as the tail light. It took me a second. I'm looking at the mirror like that's an odd shape, but it matches the tail light. So it's a unique, cool feature. So there you have it. Here's your opportunity. If you missed this one, it'd probably be 5 or 6 years before I see another one, because that's how long it's been since I've had the last one. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We got a whole staff of people that are here to help. Whatever questions or concerns you have about the car, shipping, financing, let us know. We'll take more pictures, do more video, whatever we can do to help you. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you can keep watching these videos as they come out. I do appreciate everyone who's been watching, and come back for more.